So now let's learn how to withdraw our cryptocurrency from the Binance website, which means take it off and send it to a wallet or send it to another exchange. To do so, go ahead and find the Funds tab and then click Withdrawals. From the drop-down menu, go ahead and type in the cryptocurrency you're going to be sending out, or you can scroll through until you find it. In this case, we're going to be sending and withdrawing our Bitcoin. First thing you're going to notice is you'll have to put the withdrawal address in. To do this, you'll have to leave the Binance website and actually find the deposit address in that external exchange or the external wallet. That's where you'll be sending the Bitcoin to. When you find it, copy it, then come back here to the Binance site and paste the deposit address into this withdrawal address bar. Kind of a cool feature is if this is a wallet you'll be using frequently, you can save it and make a label for it for quick access next time you use it. All right, now, once the address is entered correctly, type in the amount of Bitcoin you're going to be sending, or if you'll be sending all of it, you can simply just click the max button and it'll populate everything for you. Now, take note, there's a small transaction fee to send the Bitcoin out of the site. But after reviewing everything, and once everything looks good, go ahead and click the submit button. Now, if you're using two-factor authentication, you're gonna have to put the code in to proceed. When all that's good to go, to finalize the transaction, you're gonna have to go to your email and look for the message from Binance and confirm that you are indeed withdrawing your Bitcoin from the Binance website. Once you verify that transaction, it will be in process. You can come back to the Binance website and watch the transaction happen in real time by finding the Funds tab and clicking the transaction history, then clicking the Withdrawal tab within that page. So this process to withdraw Bitcoin is the same for all cryptocurrencies you're sending out of the Binance site to another exchange or another wallet.